Hello friend, today we have study subject biology, part 2nd. Unit name is study of animal type cockroach. Habit and habitat. Cockroaches are omnipresent, present everywhere, all over the world. It prefers damp and moist places, surfaces to live. It is omnivorous, nocturnal and cursorial. Periplaneta americana, Blatta orientalis, and Blatta germanica are the three common species of cockroach found in India. Classification, also called as systematic position of cockroach. Kingdom Animalia, absence of cell wall, heterotrophic in nutrition. Phylum Arthropoda, jointed appendages and segmented body with hard exoskeleton. Class Insecta, 2 pairs of wings and 3 pairs of walking legs. Genus Periplaneta, found in all over the world, nocturnal in habitat, straight wing. Species Americana, this species originally from continent of America. The scientific name of cockroach is Periplaneta americana. External morphology, shape and size. The shape of cockroach is elongated, bilaterally flattened, symmetrical, and dorsoventrally flat body. Triploblastic, eucoelomate, and truly segmented animal. Body cavity is called hemocell, filled with hemolymph. Hemolymph is a blood of cockroach. Coloration, the color of cockroach is glistening brown or red brown in color, shining brown color. Cockroaches generally found in environment. Exoskeleton, body of cockroach is protected by hard waxy tough non-living exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is formed by a nitrogenous polysaccharide chitins that provide strength, elasticity, and surface area for attachment of muscles. Each body segment of cockroach is covered by 4 chitinous plate sclerolites, namely dorsal tergum, ventral sternum, and 2 lateral pleurons. Body division, the body of cockroach is divided into 3 regions, namely head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, it is formed by a fusion of 6 segments. It is triangular or ovate in shape. It is highly mobile due to flexible towards neck. It bears a pair of long antennae and pair of compound eyes and mouth parts adapted for chewing and biting of food. The head bears antennae, fenestrae, compound eyes and mouth parts. So we have study first antennae. also called as fillers. There are filamentous long segmented structure that can be moved in all directions. They can lodge in membranous pits called antennal socket. The antenna situated in an antennal socket. They are tactile to have sense touch as well as olfactory smells of organs, useful in locating the food's material in vicinity. Fenestrae are also called as ocellular spot situated at the base of each antenna, and they appears as white spot. Compound eyes. They are paired dark kidney shaped structure placed on lateral side of the head, and they are made up of large number of ommatidia. The singular called as ommatidium. The ommatidia are structural and functional unit of compound eye, each forming an image of very small parts of visual fluids. Collectively, compound eyes produce a mosaic image. Mouth parts. Mouth parts of cockroach has preoral cavity in front of mouth in which foods is received. It is bounded by chewing and biting type of mouth parts. These are movable segmented appendages which are assist to ingestion of food. Mouth parts of cockroach comprises of labrum, mandibles, labium and hypopharynx. Mouth part of cockroaches, the first is upper part labrum. Labrum is also called as a upper lip. This figure shows mouth parts to dissect separately. So first labrum. Labrum is upper lip. Labrum is a single flap-like movable part. Covers the mouth on upper side. It forms an anterior wall of preoral cavity. The function of labrum is holding of the food during feeding. The function of labrum is holds food during feeding. Second, mandibles. There are two mandibles also called as true jaws. Two dark, hard chitinous serrate median margins present on either side of labrum from behind. The function of mandibles is perform coordinated sidewise movement with the help of adductor and abductor muscle. The function of mandibles is cut and crush the food. The second type of mandible are two in types. One is the right and left. So the third part of mouth parts is maxilla. Single called as maxilla and double called as a maxillae. Maxilla is a accessory jaw. Maxilla, first pair of maxilla situated on the either side of mouth behind the mandibles. Each consists of sclerites and maxillary pulps. Tactile organs of maxilla is hold food and help the mandible for mastication. It helps in cleaning the antenna and front of legs. The function of maxilla is it holds food, mastication, cleaning the antenna and front legs. Third part of mouth is largest part called as a labium. Labium, the second name of labium is lower lip. Labium is the second maxilla. It covers the preoral cavity, ventrally firmly attached to the posterior part of head. Labial pulp, three jointed and sensory in function. The function of labium is pushing the chew food in the preoral cavity is a function of labium. It prevents the loss of food falling from the mandibles during chewing. The last part of mouth is hypopharynx. Hypopharynx or linga. The second name of hypopharynx is tongue. In front of labium and in between first maxilla. Cylindrical single structure, triangular in shape. Opening of salivary duct at the base. It bears comb-like plates on either side called superlinga. The function of hypopharynx or tongue is process of feeding and mixing of saliva with food. The main role of hypopharynx. Detailed chart of mouth parts, their structure and function of labrum, mandibles and maxilla. Labium, hypopharynx or linga. This is true jaw or also called as a tongue. Thorax. The thorax of cockroach is three segmented. Anterior part is called as prothorax, middle part is called as mesothorax and posterior part is called as a metathorax. Thorax has bear three pairs walking legs ventrally and two pairs of wings attached dorsally. Legs. Thorax and there are three types. Next, legs. Three pairs of walking legs, 5 pedomeres for each legs. Name first coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia and tarsus. Tarsus are the large segment, has 5 movable segment or tarsomeres. Last tarsomere has a pair of claws and cushion like aerolim helpful from clinging. Concentrate the figure. The 5 pedomers of leg of cockroach, coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia and tarsus. Tarsomeres has a pair of claws and cushions like aerolim helpful for clinging. Wings. 2 pair of wings, forewing and hind wings, present on dorsal side. Two pairs of wings, first forewings and inside the second pair of wings called hind wings. Forewings. First pair of dark, opaque, thick, leathery wings protective in function. The upper wings is called as a forewings. These are not helpful for flight. Inside forewings, hindwings are present. Hindwings is the second pair of wings. Hindwings are thin, broad, membranous, delicate and transparent. Attached to tergum of metathorax. The hindwings are used in flight, hence are true wings. Spiracles. Series of slit-like opening either side of body. 10 pairs of 2 thoracic and 8 abdominal. Important for respiration as they let the air out of trachea. Abdomen. Elongated with 10 segment. Each segment has dorsal tergum and ventral sternum. Tergum is jointed to sternum laterally by soft cuticle called pleura. 8 number and 9 number terga is overlapped by the 7th. Deeply notched 10th tergum projects backward. The 10th tergum also bears a pair of small, many jointed anal cerci. Male has narrow and tapering abdomen. Female abdomen is broader. The 9th number sternum bears a pair of short, unjointed anal style. Anal style only found in male. Anal style absent in female. Externally, identification of male cockroach is larger than female and anal style present. So, anal style absent and width body, these are cockroach female. So, today we have studied habit and habitat, systematic position, external morphology, shape, color, exoskeleton, body division of cockroach head, the 4 parts of head, antenna, fenestrae, compound eyes and mouth parts. In detail we are study mouth parts, labrum, labium, maxilla, labium, hypopharynx, linga, thorax, legs, wings, spiracles and abdomen, body cavity.